two of the fastest way to make money in 2019, guys. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepo here. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, I want to show you two of the fastest way to make money online in 2019, guys. Now, before we go into the video, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because I put out videos on a daily basis that teaches you how to make money online in whatever way I can, guys. And if you have any comments, any suggestions of anything, or any questions that you have, comment down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as I see them, guys. Now, let's go into the video. There's two ways here. One way I'll show on the screen, on the computer, and the other way, which is the last way, I will basically just talk to you like this and I explain more about it, guys. So the first way is now this way is actually a nice way, because as of now, let me go here. It's basically you putting out you basically by using services or giving out services, right, for people. So there's a site called Fiverr. You can go there and register yourself and make ads, right? Make ads for people. Not for you to making ads, but just like making the video, like the ad itself, and the person posts them video and things like this. Now, as you can see, this person asks like $35 for one ad, right? Which is a lot. $35 for one ad. It's a lot of money, and it's an easy way. You can just go to Photoshop, or not Photoshop, but Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, and show you, and basically use the easiest way and make money with this way, right? So like here, person, right? So this person got, let's say, right? So here's 154 review, right? So and it's a $35 product. Let me just show you, like, for example, how much the person can make. And I'm also gonna explain to you how to do this way, right? So first way, this is the way, right? So here's one. Let me say 150, right? So $35, right? So $35. You times that by 150, which is the total reviews. So right. So let's just say 200. Let's just say 100, because maybe let's say 50 viewers, or 50 of those people reviewed it bad, which is not good, right? So yes, he makes 3,500 just from this, right? And this is like from, don't know, and there's more people, right? So, and even at 7 orders in queue already. So it means it's working, especially in February, because now a lot of marketers are making money, because in February right now it's almost Valentine's Day, so people need ads to make for obviously to promote their products for the Valentine's Day, right? So you can make Shopify dropshipping ads, right? And it's actually an easy way. Let me show you how to do it. So you go into, for example, let me say Adobe. Let me go into my. I'm just gonna make a picture ad. Picture ads is really something that is super easy, super easy. So I'm just gonna go into two of my images, basically two of my images, right? So I'm just gonna go to those two, and I'm gonna say open, and I'm gonna show you how easy is it, or how easy it is to make those two things, right? So I don't wait, just give me a sec. Okay, open one. Okay, right. Let me just use two random pictures, right? So cause my pictures are high definition for this thing or something, I don't know what's wrong, but let's just use two pictures. Just say these two, for example, if they can also catch, hopefully, right? So what you want to do basically is it's just put text in, right? So the person is gonna obviously give you the words and the images of what ad to make, right? So for you, it's just to basically put in the text and put in some sound into it and things like that, and all goes well. You make your own perfect ad. So you just put on a quick title, right? So it's a really easy thing to do, right? So exactly, right? So for example, here, this is a video clip of me when I was in the plane. You won't be able to hear it, right? So So basically for you, it's just to put out to make the text, right? So you just go there to effect and write the text, right? And there's lots of way to, you can even go Google this. I just want to show you a easy way, right? So that's the first way. That's the first way, is basically you can make pricing anyhow, right? So it's really not anyhow. You can make $50. It depends how high quality yours is. As you can see for this person, it says I'll make one video ad for one product for a 40 to 50 second video for Facebook video, right? And it's gonna be 180 by 1008 to 1080, which is high definition, high quality, right? So you can, if you don't have that type of quality, hey, find a better way, right? So, and you can even lower your prices. And if you can see here some examples, you can check this, and this is a nice to check your competitors. You can make this thing easy, either with Photoshop, and then you design the pictures with Photoshop, and then you use Adobe to put them together, make a nice song, and then write the text. It's really that hard, right? So that's the first way. The second way, I really wanna, let's just get off the screen quickly and really go into the piece, right? So if my good editing skills work, which should be on the screen by now, right? So you can see me properly right now if my good editing skills work, right? So the second way is making social media agents, making a social media marketing agent. Now you can do this in lots of different ways. I mean, there's so many different ways you can, and you can do this two ways. You can either do this part-time, where you just want to make a quick side income to pay off your car rent or something, or you can make it full-time, which I know a lot of people are making it full-time and they're blowing it up, making people who are making $25,000 a month. Now you can do this lots of ways. You can either make ads for companies, for your clients, make them ads, or design profiles for your clients, or basically let me say, for example, Instagram, right? So there's a lot of Instagram influencers out there, or so for you, basically, you can even just go on Instagram and make watch videos, and basically, first of all, watch videos and build yourself a powerful Instagram brand, and then you make your own agency whereby you help clients' Instagram pages grow to thousands and thousands of to followers. Like, you can do this with paid ads or whatever ways, right? So there's a lot of ways to make money with the Instagram part and social media part, and you can scale it up. You can decide what pricing you want as of now, right? So especially at this time, people need a lot of followers or want a lot of followers, because that's the good way they can sell their product, the free way, right? So you can do that Instagram way. Trust me, with social media marketing, there's a lot of ways. There's even the way that I almost went into, but for some reasons I explained in one video my country and people who are in my country and things like that, right? So the other way is basically, like, for example, just going on Facebook and then looking up for restaurants and say, hey, I'll make your Instagram or I'll make your Facebook page look good. I'll be posting videos, I'll be posting pictures and your products, and making it and getting you guys followers, and getting you guys, for example, let's say a restaurant, getting you guys customers, like guaranteed I'll get you 5 customers per day, every single day, just by me posting on your things, right? And the person say, okay, let's try it out. And then when they try it out, you get them for the followers, and then by the end of the month, they give you the money. You explain them to do, right? So it's a very easy way to do, right? So so those are the two ways, guys. Really look into them. Those are one of the easiest way, right? I could have been like even the first way, because the second way takes a little bit longer of time to build up your brand. But if you build up your brand, it's all good from there, right? So as for the first brand, as of the first way, I couldn't be making that right now, because I'm pretty sure it's easy. Right? Only that I don't have the time. But if I had the time, I'll be making $35 per hour, right? So it's not that hard, right? So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo here. Really take these two ways in consideration. Comment in the section down below. Tell me what you think about these two ways, which one you like, and tell me what your ideas are and what you think. Give me your thoughts, guys, in the comment section down below. Let's interact. I would like to hear your thoughts on this, what you think about it. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? And if you stick with me to the end, thank you guys for watching this whole video through. check out my #1 recommended section that helps me make money online with affiliate marketing and not having to do this Instagram ads and all those things. That helps you make money online at home anytime. So you can see even in the background, I'm at my house, right? Not I'm at the house, right? So I make money online each and every single month. So if you want to find out how I make money online, click the link in the description down below. The first link in the description down below, that's written my #1 recommendation, guys. That just take you to my #1 way to make money online. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, guys, and peace out.